hear that?
You get it. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Great.
Hi, I'm Maddie, the Senior Brand Manager here at Haven's Kitchen and also the resident air fryer master. Today we are making a super simple 3-ingredient recipe using my air fryer, of course, with our herby chimichurri, some Brussels sprouts, a little bit of oil, and then I'll add salt to taste. So everything I need for this recipe is on my cutting board. There's no chopping of herbs, there's no chopping of capers. I don't even need a chef's knife. It's all here. I will need tongs. I feel like every time I'm like, where are the tongs? So first things first, I'm adding a little bit of salt. And then I'm gonna do about half a pouch of my herby chimi. And because the end game is for these to be crispy, I am gonna add some additional oil. If y'all are really into this recipe and want more vegan air fryer recipes, I've got my vegan tofu, which is delicious, and also my vegan green beans. Both of those recipes are linked below, so check them out. Okay, these are looking tossed and coated and wonderful. And I'm gonna just grab my basket, my air fryer. All right, these are ready to go. We're gonna set the temperature to 375 for about 5 minutes. I'll give these a shake and they'll go in for another 5 minutes. Start. My timer just went off for that first 5 minutes. Like I said, gonna take these out, give them a shake. They're looking good, but definitely need some more time. And I think I'm gonna bump up the temperature a little bit too. Ooh, you hear that?
You get it. Oh my god.
Stunning, gorgeous. They're super crispy on the outside, but still super moist on the inside. I'm sorry if you hate that word, but it's just the best way to explain the situation that I'm experiencing right now. And these are perfect side dish. You could throw some chicken on top, some roasted salmon. You could have them as a snack and just keep them in the fridge for like a meal prep situation. They were so good and so easy. I'm Maddie, the Senior Brand Manager at Haven's Kitchen. Remember, you can find our chimichurri on our store locator on our website. And thank you guys so much for cooking with me today. Comment below if you make this recipe. If you have any questions at all, I am always here. I'll see you later.